Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing fantastic. Check it out, today's Sunday. The day before Memorial Day. By the time that I edit this out and I post it, it's probably going to be tomorrow on Memorial Day. And I wanted to go on a ride just because, I wanted to talk to you guys and just kind of give you some of my thoughts, some of the things I believe when it comes down to this day. And I'm going to tell you, it's such a special day in our country. To me, it's a big one. It's really a big one because it represents the day where we honor the guys that have made that ultimate sacrifice, right? And again, it should be every single day, but obviously we pick a day where we do that. And to me, it's so important because it's just crazy that some people are willing to defend everything that we own. They don't know you. They don't know anything about some people. But again, they are willing to go out there and defend our freedoms so we could have a better life, so we could have a place that we are safe, so we could have a place where we could raise our children, a country that is fair. I know, a lot of guys get into the whole political things, and I do on my main channel. And I know there's a lot of dilemma, but I'm going to tell you, I've been in many countries, and there's nothing like the USA. Nothing. This country is so wonderful. And I know that for a fact because not only I've been in many countries, but I also was born in a different one, right? In a communist country, in a country where people's life was taken for barely any reason. They will put you in jail for anything. And again, it was just a horrific place. And bless the Lord, I was able to move to this amazing country. And then again, I was able to serve our country in the Marines and all that. But what I'm saying is that there's some guys out there that are willing to die so we could have this, right? I'm available, or I'm able to ride this motorcycle and enjoy this beautiful weather right now because the freedoms that I'm giving, and there's a group of guys that defend our freedoms, and that's just amazing. I'm gonna tell you guys, I met guys that have died in combat. I met a couple. It's a difficult thing. It's a very difficult thing, right? And I pray that the families can find the love, the patience, the understanding. I pray for those children that are going to grow with no father, with no mother. And I really, really pray that the Lord would touch their heart because it's such a difficult thing. It's just, I couldn't even imagine. I came close to one time in particular. I came pretty close to it. And now that I see my children and I see, my oldest boy is 17 years old, I'm available. I mean, I'm able to see him grow up as a man. I'm able to see him go to college or, in fact, he wanted to join the Marines. And I actually talked to one of the recruiters. I'm able to see those things. Some people are not. Some people actually die and again, are not able to spend with the families. And I'm going to tell you, I thank God for those guys that are willing to do whatever it takes for us to have this amazing time, this amazing country, a place where we could raise our children, right? I kind of feel like nowadays, I'm going to be as sincere as I can with you guys. I feel like nowadays Americans are missing the point. Really are. And I know I get into it in the main channel and things like that, but I feel they're missing the point. Because a lot of times we are glorifying people that are no heroes. People that are just no heroes at all. They're not. And we forget the real heroes. To me, in my book, our military are real heroes. Our military are the true heroes. I really believe so. I really believe in that. So I'm gonna go into this place right here. I want to show it to you guys. It's a little park that we have here in the city of Palm Coast. It's called Heroes Park. Do a little walk around. And like I said, I'm just so honored that I live in such an amazing country where there's guys out there that are willing to die so I can do this. They are willing to do anything so I can do this. I'm just blessed. I'm really blessed. And you know what? In my family, we honor them. We pray for them. And we just appreciate what they do for us, because that's just a real action right there. The Lord speaks about this. No greater love, really, no greater love than the brother, than the man. Again, and I'm a little paraphrasing, but no greater man than that brother that is willing to die for his brother. I'll put it right here for you guys to see the Bible verse. Again, I'm just grateful that I live in this country where we have that caliber of man and woman. Really am. Little windy today, but wow, just gorgeous. Today is a gorgeous day. I think it's right here. Let's see. Look at that. Now hiring. They are hiring everywhere. You name it. Tell me how it feels in your state, in your city. But I'm going to tell you right now, any place you go around here, you're going to see a sign that says we are hiring. Wow. There we go. My friend, this right here is the Heroes Park. And if I remember correctly, I came here last year as well. I was trying to actually go on a ride, but because what's going on nowadays and all that, it's actually quite difficult to find any rides or anything like that. It feels like, people still being careful and not getting together or something. I don't know. But again, definitely no rides going on. Oh, this light's taking forever. All right, here's the Heroes Memorial Park. Actually, tomorrow, according to the city calendar, there's going to be some type of ceremony. Really cool.
Look at the flags right there. City of Palm Coast September 11 Memorial. Kind of have like the timeline right here of what actually happened. All right, let's come here. Army, Navy, Marines, and Air Force. City of Palm Coast Military Memorial. In honor of those following local heroes who made the ultimate sacrifice, whose dedication and courage would never be forgotten. Wow, couple Marines in there, Army, Air Force. You also got a law enforcement one right here. I think we got another one right here for City of Palm Coast Fire and Rescue Memorial. Now, here's a really cool thing that, you know, actually I met a lady that actually had a lot to do with this when I used to work at a different place. And again, I believe her son died, and she told me about this right here, the Invisible Wound Memorial. And when she told me about it, I actually came here and looked it up. Kind of want to show it to you guys. Invisible Wound Memorial, dedicated to those brave-hearted men and women who have honorably served this great nation and have suffered and continue the battle or invisible wound of PTSD/TBI. Let their service and sacrifice never be forgotten. Wow. By the way, if you're in Palm Coast, come and check out this park. This park is, you know, it's just awesome. I love bringing my kids here so they can see what it is, you know. They can see what it takes. They can see example people that love their country and are willing to do whatever they need to be done in order to protect us. So here's another one right here. See names. Purple Heart recipients. Once Marines, always Marines. Hoorah. And this is amazing. Old gave son, son gave old.
All right, guys. There you have it. I wanted to come here and kind of show you this video, kind of to pay my respect and to kind of share something about today. Just want to kind of like come here, show you this place, and let you know that I appreciate it. And let you know that, you know, my family appreciate it, my children appreciate it, and they were just honored to live in this amazing country. So definitely let me know what you think. Put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.